how to write stylish text using the type lettering feature or the type lettering and application in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can write some fancy features, some fancy fonts using this particular option in Canva. So in order to start, as you can see that I have this blank Canva design right here on which we will be performing this operation. So the first thing that we will need to do is simply click onto this text option present over the left hand side. So once you will click onto this text option, you can see the following interface. Now from here, you need to scroll down until you see this option of apps. And under the apps, you can see a number of applications. And from here, you will need to choose the type lettering. So simply click onto this type lettering feature, and once you will click onto this, you can see a number of special fonts which are currently being used in a lot of designs. And every time you see these type of text, you might wonder how we can add the same into our design as well. So these are currently being used in a lot of designs and are actually being very favorable of. So for example, let me add this particular design or font. So simply click onto this, and from here you will need to type in the main text. So you can remove this and type in your own text. For example, let's say so for example, let's say this text right here, and then you can choose the font as well. So you can choose any font according to your style or as you prefer. For example, let's say this particular font, and then once you are done selecting the font, you also have other options, like you can change the alignment if you want. So you can change it to any alignment, and after alignment you also have the line height option. So you can choose to select the height between the lines of the text as displayed here. And then apart from this, you also have the option to change the colors as well. So you can also change the colors if you want by clicking on these options. So this will change the background color, the text color, and the shadow color as well. And after you are done with this, you can click onto this add to design, and here you can see that the design has been added. Since the background is white, the text is not showing properly, but you can always increase its size if you want, like this. And here you can see that now it is a lot more visible after having increased its size. So that's how easily you can add these type of special fonts into your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.